What is up, all you gorgeous people? I'm here to bring you a very important Ethereum update. Guys, not only I'm going to talk about the price action, technical analysis, and one of the biggest catalysts in all of cryptocurrency history, perhaps the greatest catalyst ever for Ethereum, Ethereum 2.0. I'm going to talk about what that is and what just happened, the significance of all this. And at the end, I'm going to talk about gold-backed cryptocurrency. So if you like the sound of that, I'd like to ask you if you could please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. So I'm going to start off by talking about Ethereum 2.0, and then we're going to delve into some TA. So guys, Ethereum 2.0 has reached their staking threshold, meaning Ethereum 2.0 is a go. Now, why is this so important? Why is this, in my opinion, the biggest catalyst for Ethereum perhaps ever, and a major one for the whole of the cryptocurrency space? Because what Ethereum 2.0 will do is make Ethereum faster, cheaper, and more efficient to use, and will take away a bunch of the supply from the market and lock it up for an extended period of time. This is huge for Ethereum. This is going to be giant for Ethereum, but for all of cryptocurrency, because Ethereum takes with it the rest of the altcoin space, the good altcoins. So I think this is a tremendously bullish catalyst for Ethereum, one of the biggest ones we've ever seen for Ethereum, and perhaps one of the biggest ones for all of cryptocurrency history. Because, guys, like I said, cheaper, faster to use Ethereum, a bunch of supply is going to be taken out of the market in order to stake. So that's going to be very bullish for Ethereum, in my opinion. Now, I kind of want to briefly describe what Ethereum 2.0 is and why a bunch of the supply will be taken out of the market. So Ethereum 2.0, one of the big things about it is that it will move from a proof of work to a proof of stake model, meaning instead of algorithms, computers solving algorithmic problems to produce Ethereum, it will now be produced through locking up Ethereum, and you will be given Ethereum for having some locked up. So guys, Ethereum will now be produced through the staking process instead of running computer algorithms, which is better for the environment, less computing power it takes, and great for the market because it will take away a bunch of the supply from the market because it requires over 500,000 Ethereum to be staked, and they recently met their staking threshold minimum in order to launch Ethereum 2.0. It's supposed to launch early December. Right here we see December 1st. Okay, so I think this is a major catalyst for Ethereum. Guys, now moving on to the price action. So the whole market has been dumping, and we're starting to see signs of perhaps a correction, a switch in the market, a change in momentum. On the 4 hour here, the histogram's ticking up, RSI is ticking up, and on the 1 hour here, we see a bullish crossover, RSI making higher highs, higher lows, histogram ticking up, and MACD having a bullish crossover. That mixed with the catalyst of Ethereum 2.0 being a go, launching December 1st, early December. Guys, I think Ethereum in the new year 2021 is going to do absolutely amazing, with Bitcoin already at almost its all-time highs of 20K, and now starting to correct as well, bullish crossover as well. With Bitcoin being almost at its all-time highs and Ethereum not, Ethereum has a lot of room to catch up. And with 2021 almost here, this bull run just getting started, Ethereum 2.0 go. I think Ethereum might very well in the near to mid to long term reach its all-time highs. Like, guys, in the short term here, okay, it is just because we're starting to see signs of an uptick does not mean that that's a guaranteed. That's a guarantee that trend will continue, okay? What we need to see is higher highs, increasing volume. We need to see our EMAs on these larger time frames be flipped as support, okay? We're going to have a lot of resistance on the way up, but if we can hold our EMAs, if we can flip our EMAs as support, and Ethereum 2.0 is launching early December, guys, I think we're flying in the long term. So, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but, I'm not panicking. In my opinion, all this dip we've been seeing in the market is a great buy the dip scenario. Honestly, this is like a Black Friday sale for a lot of people to buy. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, but point being, in terms of the catalyst, I think Ethereum has a lot of upside with Ethereum 2.0. It has a lot of its all-time highs is what, $1,400, with Bitcoin almost being at its all-time highs and Ethereum not. I think Ethereum still it has a lot of room to go to its all-time highs to catch up to where like Bitcoin's at. So we'll see, guys. I honestly have been scaling into an XRP long because I think with Bitcoin and Ethereum, we may be potentially seeing signs of a trend reversal. Now, we need to see continuation. This is not a guarantee. It's not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys what to do. But I'm starting to think that we may perhaps have seen a bottom. That is not a guarantee. We can definitely see further downtrending for sure. Okay, guys, we've been correcting quite a bit. We may see further correction as well. Now, we fell upon previous highs as support, so that's interesting. Now, to look at Bitcoin here, Bitcoin also fell up against significant support here at these price ranges. So we'll have to see what happens, guys. We need to see how this plays out. But bottom line, I think Ethereum long term is looking absolutely amazing. I would not be the least bit surprised if at the peak of this next bull run, we see an Ethereum between 50K and 100K. There's not financial advice, guys. That's highly speculative. I have nothing to back that up. But that's just kind of what I'm considering. Now, guys, before I wrap up this video, I want to talk about GSX, gold-backed cryptocurrency, okay? GSX is made by Apollo Fintech. Apollo Fintech runs these gold mines. Half the profits from these gold mines will go to actually backing the cryptocurrency itself. This is your timeline. I bring all this up because if you like this idea and you're doing your own research and want to participate, there's a link down in the description below where it says 5% sign-up bonus. If you click on that and participate in this thing using that link, you will get an additional 5% sign-up bonus, and I get a commission based off that, so this is almost like a sponsorship, okay, guys? Now, so just to run through some of the interesting things, they're currently offering a 32% sign-up bonus. They're working on a Binance listing. This is their timeline here. They will be paying yearly dividends, and there will be a token burn, okay? I'm going to leave a link down to their website, a white paper, in a video where I delve in depth the pros and cons with this thing. Check all those things out. Please do your own research. Leave a link to the website where you can look at this all yourself, okay? Now, to mention what I see as the biggest risk with this thing is I have no idea how well Apollo Fintech is running these gold mines. They may be running them well. They may not be. I have no clue. Guys, this fell into my risk tolerances. I found this compelling enough for myself that I decided to invest in it. Only you can decide what's best for yourself, guys. Please do your own research. Like I said, if you like this thing and you want to participate, link down in the description below. Please practice risk management, meaning don't invest anything you're not willing to lose. Please practice portfolio diversification. Don't throw all your eggs into one basket, and understand your own risk tolerances. Are you, do you only like safe investments? Maybe look into Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now, if you, a little less risk averse and you like the idea of gold-backed cryptocurrency, give this a check out. Anything new brings a greater degree of risk. But like I said, guys, I found this compelling enough that I decided to, throw some money at this. The interesting thing about this too, guys, is if indeed we get like an exchange listing in 4 to 6 months, let's say we do get a Binance listing, I fully suspect that we may perhaps be like in the middle of a massive bull run. The Americans are they've been printing trillions of dollars, and they're very likely to continue to do so, which is going to devalue their currency and inflate assets such as Bitcoin and gold. So, I mean, guys, I'm feeling good about this one. Now, I could be wrong, guys. Please do your own research. Investing in anything new brings some degree of risk. So with all those caveats, if you're sticking around this long, you're a trooper. I appreciate the hell out of you. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Guys, we have a Discord and Twitter. We talk crypto. Check all those things down. Link for those are down in the description below. Appreciate the hell out of you, and take care. I'll talk to you next time.